have about 10 minutes to 6 a.m. Good morning if you're just waking up on this Tuesday. What can we expect? Hopefully not what we're seeing behind you, Al.
Yeah, nothing like
No
this.
way.
Let me be clear. I just wanted to show a few more viewer photos because some of the viewers I've been sort of corresponding with back and forth trying to get some final storm reports. This one from Santa Isabel. Guy just emailed me back and said 5 feet of accumulation. Remember last week I said they'd be measuring snow in feet. I thought maybe 2 to 3, maybe 4 feet in some areas. 5 feet the total that guys said they got in San Isabel. This is in the Colorado Springs area, Pleasant Valley. Look at that gorgeous photo as the storm clouds part away. That from News 5 viewer Bar Field. And this one a pretty shot from Big Stratton Reservoir right here in the Springs from Linda Watkins. If you have any storm reports, post-storm photos, anything of that nature that you want to send to the weather team, we love to see it. Email us at weather@KOAA.com. All right, a much different start to your Tuesday versus what we saw late last week. Clear skies up and down the I-25 corridor. Woodland Park looking good as well. Pueblo dry right now and 24. Your current temperature. We're at 37 in Canyon City, a chilly 12 in Alamosa, and 21 for our friends in Saguache. Now today we are tracking some changes after a couple of calmer weather days. We'll see an uptick in the wind today and some mountain snow as this developing system to our west will move across the state. Now the winds will be coming out of the southwest during the day with peak gusts up around 40 miles per hour in the mountains, lesser gust for I-25 in the eastern plains, and there will be some moisture by late afternoon that I think moves into the Denver metro area, Fort Collins, mostly in the form of rain. But behind that front, there could be a little additional moisture. The model shows that skirts parts of northern El Paso County. Not expecting any accumulations or impacts, but just don't be caught off guard if you're up late and you can see a few snowflakes flying. Now, snow-wise today into the mountain areas around the Continental Divide, tracking anywhere between about 2 and 5 inches of accumulation. Now, the wind, the bigger story for most of us, as we'll see that increase in the southwest wind through the afternoon. For I-25, most of our wind gusts today probably around 20 to 30, although they could be slightly stronger from Huerfano County down to the Raton Mesa. So we're dry as we look towards tomorrow. Once that system moves east tomorrow afternoon, we'll see ridging build back in with some late week warming, and then we're already busy tracking our next incoming west coast system. This is going to be a slow mover yet again. Still some model uncertainty with what exactly this low does. Looks like for now it splits into 2 pieces of energy, but what I see currently for the forecast is dry skies through the weekend, but some changes with maybe some rain and snow showers towards early next week. All right, take a look at your highs today, ranging from the 40s in the mountains and mountain valleys to the 50s and low 60s on the plains. There's that midweek dip in temps on Wednesday. It's going to be cold in the morning and fairly chilly through the afternoon. Highs only in the mid-40s. With that storm increasing moisture early next week, we'll get some wind that picks up into the upcoming weekend. For Pueblo, dry skies through Sunday with a little dip in temps Wednesday, a nice and mild day Thursday. Still in the 50s through Saturday with cool down on the way by early next week. For Canyon City, highs here in the 50s and 60s right on through the upcoming weekend with a chance of a rain and snow mix by Monday. And for Woodland Park, could see a PM flurry tonight with some gusty winds during the day. Not expecting accumulations though for most of Teller County, aside from maybe the summit of Pikes Peak. And then we're breezy this weekend with snow early next week.